Whoa. Nice jump.
Ah! You want me to do that? Like, can I see the video?
Well, I'm still videoing.
Keep going.
Do another jump.
Yay! Ooh, fuck. Mommy, do you want me to do the Elsa stuff thing again?
Okay. Lucas, watch out.
Ready? Ready, Mom?
Yep.
So I'm pretending that I'm a small kid. That was 4, and I'm gonna do this. Ready?
Yep.
Lucas, please move. Woohoo!
Whoa. Okay, don't throw the sand when she's there.
Are you still videoing? Ready, Mom? Yep. Lucas, we could do Crystal.
Hi, Daddy.
What is that? Lucas, can I try? Yeah. But this time I'm gonna be Kristoff. Wait, this time I'm Kristoff. That was 4.
Okay. Lucas, watch out.
Ready? Yep. Woohoo!
Okay, come on.
Mom,
Let's see yours, Lucas.
Mom, Elsa, that I was doing it. Okay.
Ew, yeah, watch that you don't get sand in
Mom,
your
you
mouth.
want me to do Elsa now?
Yes.
Okay, Elsa. Ready, Mom?
Yep.
1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Ready?
Yep.
Woohoo!
Whoa.
You didn't like that, Mom?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Want me to do Hans now?
Yeah, Hans.
Then after Hans, then I'm gonna do Sven.
Okay, let's see it.
Sven, Olaf. Yeah.
You do Olaf, Lucas.
Okay, Mom?
Lucas, you do Olaf.
Okay, go. Woo! Now I'm gonna do Hans.
Okay,
And then
Hans.
Sven.
Okay.
Woohoo! That was Hans? Yeah, that was Hans.
Don't throw the sand, Lucas.
Now I'm gonna be Sven.
Okay, who's Lucas being?
Ah!
Himself. Okay, watch out. Audrey's coming. Whoa, Sven.
I like riding in that car. You like that?
Yeah, it's awesome.
I was like,
I know. So awesome.
like, whoa, Sven.
Yeah, whoa, Sven.
Can I do Olaf now?
Okay.
Whoa! That was Olaf. So ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna jump in Lucas's pile. I guess please move. That pile. Woohoo! Actually, Audrey, you gotta get a bit more farther. Like, Mommy, like this. Do you want me to do Elsa again?
Nice. Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna do the big giant snow monster.
Okay, let's see the giant snow monster.
Jumping. The big one. Ready?
Yep.
Into Lucas's pile. I can jump like him. Ready?
Lucas, watch out.
Ready, Mom?
Go.
You did it.
Oh my goodness. Ah, the giant snow monster.